Nothing compares to the beauty of the chaparral. The quiet and serene plant life are home to many of nature's finest animals. This week, we will be investigating the strange disappearance of a group of wild ecologists that dare submerge themselves in Cleveland National Park, only on Janimal Planet. 12 ecologists decided to immerse themselves in nature to ask the question, what is chaparral? But when they got lost 5 years ago today, the question everyone would be asking was, where are they? To start, let's meet these 12 lost ecologists. The day started as many camping trips would begin. The group of students and Dr. Professor Jan drove to start their journey. The team went to Cleveland National Park and began to set up tents and continued to a hike where they found the desert god. Nothing was out of the ordinary. On the second day of camping, the storm came. The water flooded the tents and dampened their spirits. It was noted Professor Dr. Jan told the students not to worry about the rain, as there was only a 20% chance of it happening.
It's raining! It's real! It's raining! Jan, he said it wouldn't rain!
In a desperate attempt to stay dry, the students and Professor Dr. Jan looked for cover up in the rocks. While many had a hard time crossing the river and waterfall, one student led them all. Legend has it that one student in the class was able to help the ecologist to safety in the rain because of his half-human, half-spider monkey qualities. While this theory remains unsolved, it is highly probable that the students may still be alive after 5 years of being missing because of Nguyen. It was on this day that food began to be a problem. Some students did not eat certain food as they must have thought Professor Dr. Jan was poisoning it. Other students found that their bowels were a problem.
My bowel system is amazing!
On the last day of their camping trip, the ecologists went on a morning hike and they were never seen again. One theory suggests that the ecologists accidentally ate a poison plant and all died. This is highly unlikely as Professor Dr. Jan had a manual of what plants not to eat. Another theory that is much more likely is that the ecologists did not want to leave the serene and quiet life in the chaparral and therefore ran into Cleveland National Park with falafel to get away from society forever. Detectives have accepted this theory as no bodies have ever been found and only shrines of Professor Dr. Jan and empty boxes of falafel have been found scattered along Cleveland National Park. Detectives can only imagine what the ecologists have been doing for 5 years trapped in Cleveland National Park. Wherever they may be, we hope they are still alive.